So this is my gym routine that I've been doing for 3 days out of a week, and I'm feeling good. Sorry, I did lose my voice last week. I'm barely getting it back, but just bear with me in this video, you guys. A couple tips that just help me motivate myself while I'm in the gym working out is wearing extremely comfortable socks and shoes and pants, for real. And sometimes the gym be really cold, so I'm wearing this really nice sweatshirt. I'll put all the information and their websites down below if you guys like the shoes or even the pants or the sweatshirts. And I actually have a discount code for you guys too. Right there, $15 off. Yes. My workouts, I'm usually always focusing on my glutes. Yes, my butt. My legs a little bit because I want them to be toned, but I'm not trying to gain a bunch of muscles there. So everything you see that I'm doing, it's all for the glutes, baby. It's all for the glutes. And then you really got to protect your knees. So you will always see my knees halfway bent. And it's really good to drink your water. Right now I have those ear sets in my ear and I'm listening to that water song. You know what I mean? That with the Tyla. It's really important to stretch. I usually stretch in the middle of my workout just because my body is already heated up and ready to go. If I stretch in the beginning, it's not really a good stretch because my muscles and everything is so cold. Oh yeah, I like to wear a really comfortable sports bra. Sometimes I put my hair in a ponytail, but it gets in the way when I'm on the machines and stuff because I can't do a side ponytail, you know what I mean? But it's really important to invest in really great shoes, you guys, and shoes that are a little bit bigger than smaller because you want to make sure your toes have enough wiggle room, especially when you're doing hardcore weights and everything. I love these Nikes. I mean, high top, low top. Nikes are just, they're the business. They are my go-to shoes to wear in the gym, like all the time, especially Air Force Ones. I love them. I love them. I love them. I'm going to be truthful with you guys. It is so hard to motivate yourself to want to exercise and look a certain way and feel a certain way. You know what I mean? So yes, I'm in the gym at 8 in the morning, you guys, just so you give you heads up on the time. And what kind of motivates me, I go on Instagram and I look at these chicks and I'm like, shoot, I want that body. I want that. I want that. So I just go for it. You know, that kind of like motivates me. I don't know if it'll motivate you, you know, but that works for me. And I just go hard. Sometimes I'm not really into the gym music, like what music they have. So I wear my earbuds, you know, that really helps. And I always take before and after pictures and I can see the improvement like daily because the muscle's all swollen, you know what I mean? So it's like poking out a little bit more. So these back kicks look very strange and awkward, but yes, they do enhance the glutes. And these pants are nice and loose so I can really move around easily and do the exercise properly without any restriction. I am not a personal trainer or expert in any of these, you guys, if I might be doing slightly wrong, but I am an athlete that has been in the Junior Olympics for track and field, and I swim and played soccer and all that good stuff. So don't get it twisted. A girl is in shape, but I'm not a gym girl. Like I'm trying to be one, especially with weights. This is all new to me. I usually like to go hardcore in cardio, but I am not trying to lose any weight. I'm trying to hold on all that weight, you guys, and just get it to go in certain spots of my body so I can have that perfect shape. I mean, that fits for me, you know? All right, so this really, really helps the glutes, you guys. This is a band I got from Shein. You see, it holds weight. So I have 15 pounds on each side, and you can do a bar, but I just love the cushion of the belt because you can adjust it to go around, the top part of your body. And yes, you guys, I really, really see improvement on my glutes when I use this every time. I mean, it makes me walk funny. Like, this is directly going to the glutes. Now, I wish I can go a little bit heavier because I'll probably see more of an impact on my glute. But I really hope you guys use these exercises, and please leave the comments down below if you do or you don't, or if you have any other exercises that you think I should definitely do other than lunges for my glutes. I really hardly never do a video like this, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, bypass it. You don't have to give me a thumbs down. Just give me a thumbs up anyway. Show me love. But at the end of the day, if you're not motivated to really work out, at least you can look fly. So definitely check out this website, because where I got these nice sweatpants from, and these shoes, and the Kobe Legend sweatshirt that's like a limited edition with the 2-side pockets, is all on this website. And I'm going to give you guys $15 off. So use that coupon and enjoy some fly gear. If you don't want to wear it, you don't have to wear it in the gym, but it's fly gear. You know what I mean? Yeah. Well, here's that bell, you guys. So you can subscribe to my channel if you like. And by hitting that bell, it keeps you in tune for all my upcoming new videos that you cannot miss, because some of them are all about natural hair and how to grow your hair very fast and quick, and fashion, girl. Where to get very affordable, nice, high-end clothing. Yes. So hit that thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Maybe on my next video. Check these videos out.